Underwater drones are revolutionizing underwater exploration with their advanced capabilities. These drones offer high-definition cameras for capturing stunning footage and detailed imagery from beneath the surface. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best underwater drones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Chasing Dory sets a new standard for underwater exploration with its compact design and powerful features. This remotely operated vehicle brings underwater photography to a more accessible level, allowing users to capture clear 720p live video at depths up to 49 feet. The drone pairs seamlessly with a smartphone or tablet, transmitting footage via a floating Wi-Fi buoy connected by a 49-foot tether. Dory is designed for ease of use, delivering high-quality 2-megapixel photos and 1080p video at 30 frames per second, while a color restore algorithm enhances images, providing sharpness and vibrancy even in challenging lighting conditions. Its wide f1.6 lens ensures an impressive field of view, making it ideal for capturing the full spectrum of underwater action, even in murky environments. Equipped with two 250-lumen LED lights, the Dory enhances visibility with a balanced color temperature of 4K to 5K, ensuring clear, natural-looking footage in low-light situations. This small but robust drone brings the world beneath the water's surface to your fingertips, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a portable, user-friendly option for underwater exploration. The QYSEA Fifish V6 Expert is a premier underwater drone that elevates your diving experience with advanced features and exceptional performance. Its 14,400 mAh battery provides up to 6 hours of operation, with quick charging capabilities reaching 90% in just 1 hour. Available in various packages including the M100, M200, and versions with robotic arms, the Fifish V6 ensures flexibility for different needs, from recreational use to industrial applications. This drone boasts omnidirectional movement and 360-degree maneuverability, paired with an upgraded motor system to offer stable performance. Core components are protected against corrosion, ensuring durability even in harsh underwater environments. The Fifish V6 Expert supports over 20 professional tools through its interface, allowing customization for specific tasks, whether for exploration or offshore operations. Its 4K camera system, featuring a 166-degree ultra-wide field of view and 240 FPS slow-motion filming, captures stunning visuals. The 6,000-lumen LED lights ensure bright, clear footage even in low-light conditions, while a 128GB micro SD card offers ample space for high-definition content. The PowerVision PowerDolphin Wizard stands as a top contender in underwater drones, combining cutting-edge technology with practical features. Drawing inspiration from dolphin anatomy, the sleek and hydrodynamic design allows the drone to reach impressive speeds of 4.5 meters per second while maintaining energy efficiency. Its dual camera system features a 4K UHD camera paired with a 132-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, capturing high-quality footage both underwater and above the surface with a 220-degree field of view. This feature ensures unparalleled versatility for various applications. For fishing enthusiasts, the integrated remote-controlled bait drop mechanism enhances the experience by allowing users to lure fish directly from the drone. The advanced AI system adds convenience, offering autonomous path planning, terrain mapping, and intelligent features such as auto-flip and return home functions for safety. These capabilities make it easier for users to navigate and operate the drone in various conditions. Furthermore, the PowerDolphin supports expandable functions, such as a portable fish finder and additional bait droppers, ensuring a tailored underwater exploration and fishing experience. Whether capturing stunning footage or improving fishing efficiency, the PowerDolphin Wizard brings a new level of innovation to the underwater drone market. The Chasing M2 stands out as one of the best underwater drones, offering impressive functionality and user-friendly design. With 8 corner-mounted thrusters, it effortlessly maneuvers through water at a speed of 3 knots, making it accessible to all levels of operators. The control system is intuitive, featuring a joypad-style remote that simplifies navigation, ensuring a smooth experience for both beginners and experienced divers. Equipped with a 12-megapixel f1.8 camera and a 1x2.3 CMOS sensor, the M2 captures high-quality images and videos, even at depths of up to 330 feet. Video can be recorded in stunning 4K at 30 frames per second, with the option for 1080p at up to 120 frames per second, ensuring clear, detailed footage. The electronic stabilization ensures that footage remains steady, even as the drone moves through currents. There's also a GoPro mount for those who wish to use additional cameras. The M2 offers valuable accessories, such as a robotic arm for added functionality and a powered e-reel tether system to keep cables tidy. The swappable battery provides extended operation time, while the 2x2000 lumen lights illuminate dark underwater environments. Though the lights could be brighter, the drone excels in its robust design and versatile features. The PowerVision PowerRay is a cutting-edge underwater drone designed for both recreational and professional exploration. Unlike traditional aerial drones, the PowerRay overcomes the challenge of underwater communication with a 230-foot umbilical cable, ensuring seamless video feedback. Powered by 2 horizontal props and a central vertical thruster, it navigates effortlessly through various depths, with the cable remaining tangle-free. Equipped with 2 450-lumen dimmable headlights, the PowerRay illuminates even the murkiest of waters, ensuring clear 4K video 30 frames per second and still images up to 4,000 by 3,000 pixels. Its camera features a maximum ISO of 1600, providing reliable performance in low-light conditions. While the 1/2 2.3-inch sensor could be improved, it still delivers impressive footage in underwater environments. Depending on the version, either a 32GB or 64GB SD card is included, with the option for user upgrades. The PowerRay comes in 2 variants: the Standard Explorer Edition, focused on video capture, and the Wizard Edition, which offers additional features like the Power Seeker sonar to map the underwater landscape, a bait dropper for fishing, and Zeiss VR1 goggles for an immersive experience. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.